Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I kind of felt like I haven't done a blue look in a minute, so guess what? Today you're gonna get a blue look. So if you want to see how I create this blue look, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, I'm actually gonna use this palette for plain makeup by Yolondo. I think she discontinued it. Noble Blues, but she have another blue one. But we'll go with this shade first. And this is a T83 from Makeup Shack, and we're just gonna go into this shade. I don't know, I feel like this might not be dark enough, but we'll see. I'm gonna put this like right here. And just blend it. And now I'm turning to the side that has no powder, or no powder, no shadow. I almost feel like I might have to do something here, cause this shade looks like, you see, like I want a little bit of more depth, like right here. But that's fine. We'll make it work. We'll see. So I'm gonna use this T209, no, a Y209 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Same thing. These shadows do not have shades. Just tap this to where I want it. Now, I feel like for one look I did so many brushes. This is a Y214, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just kind of blend everything together. But I think I might need something a little bit darker, but we'll see. And now I'm gonna go back to this light shade. Cause you want like a gradient kind of diffusing situation. So now this is a concealer brush actually from Ruce. It's LR100, and I'm gonna go into that light shade, and I'm gonna put it like right here, like right here, like a lash I need to pluck out, not a lash, just right here. I don't know. This blue is like annoying. Okay, so this is it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, I know eyes are blue and bold, but you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. I actually really like how this look came out, so yeah. So let's jump into this foundation if I can find it. So we're gonna work with Miss Tarte Face Tape. So let's give her a shake. So today I am wearing my Becca Ever Matte Poreless primer. Maybe I shouldn't have wear this primer, but we'll see. And I'm gonna use my Flawless blush. So let us give her a go. It's a good shade though, I think. So it said it works best with Tarte Shape Tape, so we're gonna use light medium sand. I'll put that right here. right here. This is what? Tan, just... This is not... And we're gonna go ahead and use this again. This is from Makeup by Mario. And I'm gonna use an E5 brush from Morphe. Put it right here. This is like, I think, the best cup for like beginners. It's so easy to blend. Cause I know the Tarte is really good, as I said already, but I know sometimes it can be intimidating. But you know what's crazy? Like, I was watching a funeral today, and it's just so sad. Like, I'm looking at people like dying, like just like my age, and I'm like, I'm middle age, but I'm like, I'm not that old. But it definitely makes you put things into perspective, right? Because I'm like, if these people my age are dying, that means like I'm like right there too. I feel young though, so. Okay, and then we're gonna use a clean slick brush. Maybe it all depends on how old you feel, I don't know. And whether, you know, you have health issues or whatever, but it's just something to think about when, like, the people that are dying are the people you went to school, if you like. And this is a good face makeup there. This is looking good. Making sure there's like no creasing. Look at this. No creasing. You know, if I was gonna go see Ariel, this would be like the perfect makeup. You know, blue, like under the sea. I don't know, ocean. But you know, I don't have little kids anymore. That was a long wasn't that long ago, but it sure feels that way, right? And then we're going to number 1 for my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Again, I get this whole, like a whole stack of this from Amazon. They're like $10 for like a ton. And I wash them and they wash pretty well too, so you can definitely use them. I'm gonna use this powder. This is actually from Laura Mercier. It is their setting powder, but this one is like honey, which is a little bit darker. Put this here over top of everything. And this is from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna dust this off. What shade is this one? This one is Banana Bread. Okay, this, my face is still tacky. That's not good. That is not good. Because if my face is tacky, when I put my bronzer, that is gonna be a hot mess. This is from Marc Jacobs, I think. Yep, and this is Whirlpool. I'm just trying to use these because you can't get this anymore because they discontinued the makeup line, which I think was terrible. But who am I, right? And I'm having my Hawaii 5.0 from Juiceland. So good. It's like my favorite one. Now we're gonna go into the darker shade, and this is on a P107. I don't want to put too much or I go crazy. Okay, that's done. And now I'm gonna bring, I don't know, lately I've been like kind of like, you know, matte looks. I go through phases though, so bring that down. Bring that down here. Perfect. I might use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I haven't used this bronzer in a minute. I actually like this bronzer, but it was in a bag somewhere that I used to go some, I think Dominica, and I couldn't find it. That's like usually how I stop using stuff. It's like if I pack it and then I can't find it. What shade is this? 3. I think there's one other shade, and I'm like, girl, chat, what do we do? Because you know that's not gonna contour like a lot of people. Like that's darker than me. I did a blush thing yesterday and I liked it. Let's go back in here. This is, I think I'm gonna use like this 3. Blast Cherry, or maybe Blast and Jelly. Like these 2 shades. Like this here. Ooh. This is so pigmented. That's too much. I'm just gonna take my powder brush to tone it down a bit. And that's fine. I don't want anything crazy for my that's not what I meant. My highlighter, I might use this. I mean for my lip. This is Flunt from Rare Beauty. These are so pretty. Like they look wet. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do for the lip. We can't do anything too bold. I mean, we can, but I'm gonna use this again. This is from Charlotte Tilbury and it is Lip Chit Pillow Talk 3 Intense. I don't know, this just looks like my eyes so blue. Let's put a little bit of cuff to just blend this up a bit so we're not looking crazy blue. For lipstick, I'm gonna use, this is Zaya from Luna Beauty. This is Booty Call from Give Them Beauty, Lala. Give Them Lala Beauty. I think this might be good. Just break it down a little bit. Just a tad bit. You know, I haven't used my like bando situations for a long time. For a long time. Let's maybe we should give a bando, you know. See, it looks like it's like there's a gap right here. I don't want that. No gaps. No gaps. You know what that reminds me of? Like the Incredible movie. No capes. No capes.
Diner guy, snag on takeoff. Splashdown, sucked into a vortex. No capes.
So yeah, so that's it for this look. I know it's, you know, crazy, it's blue, it's all over the place, but you know what? That's the look we're going for today. That's my husband's favorite color anyways. Well, used to be, I don't know. I think it's kind of shifting. Yeah, but that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all